Hello everyone, myself Mohan Das. Those who are new watching this channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates so that we can share everyone. Now today we are going to discuss about the estimation subtopic of estimation of knowing our numbers. So in this estimation we are having four types, that is the general rule, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. So before explaining this all subtopics, so I'm going to explain what is estimation. So estimation is a rough calculation of the value, number, quantity or extent of something. That is nothing but about the estimation. Now here today I'm going to explain about the general rule. So what is general rule? So general rule of a number. So we have to make them in the round of the number. For example, if I take 346, so here we have to round it as 300. It means that, for example, if I take any one number, for example 100 to 200, so in between what are the values you are getting? It will come 1 from 101 to 199 values are coming in between, right? Now here if I take 150, means we have to round it as 200. We have to estimate it as 200. We have to take in this value as 200. Now if I take which is less than 150, means we have to take 100, the round it of 100. For example, if I take 145, so 145 is a number which is nearest to 100 but is the farthest to 200, right? So we should not take this one, we should take 100 as a round of the number. So this is called as a general rule of the number. Suppose if I take 36, it is nearest to 40. Now if I take 45 is the nearest to 50 but it is a farthest to 40. Now if I take 43 is a round of to 40. So this is called general rule of the number. Now in the same thing like that, I am going to explain another topic called nearest tens. So nearest tens. So what is nearest tens? For example, if I take 436, so here what is given here? Nearest tens. So we have to calculate only 36 number. We are least bothered about the 100th value. 36 means it is nearest to 40, means we have to round it as 440. I hope you understand this. In the same thing like that, if I take 1024, so 1024 we have to consider only nearest tens values only. We are least bothered about the thousands. So 24 it is nearest to 20, so we can write 1020. So this is about the topic called estimation of nearest tens. In the same thing like that, I am going to explain nearest hundreds. So what are nearest hundreds? See here, nearest hundreds. Now take any one number. For example, I am taking 1340. I am taking one number. So 1340 means we have to consider only 340 estimation. We are least bothered about the thousand. So 340 means the 100 number means 340 means 340 means what? 340 is lies between 300 to 400. So in between we are getting 340. Already I explained that if the given number is 350 means we have to round it off 400, which is less than 350 means we have to round it as 300. So we can write this one as 1300. In the same thing like that, if I take another number like 394, if I take 394 means we can round it off 400. So it is nearer to 400, it is the farthest to 300. So this is called the nearest nearest to round off nearest hundreds. Now I am taking one 10,000 number, 10,550. 10,550 means it is lies in between 500 to 600 means, so we can write 10,600. So lies in between 500 to 600. 600 means here in between 500 means the number which is greater than 500 means we have to make it round it as 600. The number which is less than 500 means we have to round it as 500, but the given number is what? 550 means it is nearest to 600, so we can write 10,600. So this is about the nearest 100. Now I am going to explain the last topic called nearest 1000. So nearest 1000. So here nearest 1000. Now take any one number, 1320 means we have to consider 1000 value, means it is lies in between 1000 to 2000. Here in between what are the numbers are being present? 1500. If the given number is what? 1320 means the 1500 is less than, so 1320 is less than 1500 means we have to round it as 1000. So it is the nearest value to, it is nearest to 1000. And the same thing like that, if I take another number like 13,420, so we can round it as what? 13,000. The given number is 14,569. So what is the, how we can make it rounded out? So we have to consider 4,516 only. We cannot consider 10,000 place, right? Now it is a lies in between 4,000 to 5,000 means it is a nearer to 5,000. So we can round it as 15,000. So this is about the estimation topics of subtopics of knowing our numbers. I hope you understand this. The next class I am going to explain the exercise 1.3 based upon these topics. Thank you.